That's one kick-ass sounding vintage bike right there. Guys, I want to prove to you how well Jeff has got this thing tuned. These headers are stone cold. The bike hasn't been started since earlier today. And this thing is just absolutely tuned to perfection. Jeff Castine is a mastermind of four-cylinder tuning, and he's got these carbs synchronized and pilot jets cleaned and tuned to perfection. Listen to this. That's stone cold. One of the things I really like about these bikes is the exhaust note. In '71, the EPA hadn't cracked down so much, or the CARB, California Air Resource Board. And listen to the rumble from this stock. The HM300 exhaust is the nicest sounding production four-cylinder exhaust I've ever heard. Sounds like a Ferrari. You'll never find a better sounding exhaust than original HM300s. Junior, is this not the nicest sounding four-cylinder you've ever heard stock?
We've been hunting down a K0 with this set of pipes on it since like 2016 when we had the last one.
Yeah, guys, keep looking. See if you can find a nicer K0 out there for less than 20 grand. They don't exist, okay? At any price. K0s are just not found. Not with the stock HM300 pipes. You won't find a nicer original one anywhere in the country available for sale. This is it, guys. And the price is only going up. I want to add, the clutch pulls like butter on this thing. The clutch pull is just super, super buttery. Lights on the gauges, the idiot lights, the neutral light, the high beam and low beam light. Everything works exactly as it's supposed to from the factory. Done it again, guys. Another one from the time capsule time machine at the New England Motorcycle Museum. Ask yourself, where on the planet are you going to find a 50-year-old four-cylinder KO Honda, all original like this, anywhere? Again, you're not going to. That's the answer. Candy gold, beauty, classic 50-year-old antique, massaged to perfection by the Manic Mechanic himself. Just a stunning piece. Buy it now or kick yourself in the ass forever, because beauties like this don't come up often. God bless America. What's up, fellas? Feast your eyes on this unicorn. This is a 1971 Honda Candy Gold CB750K in the original factory paint with the original HM300 exhaust that is in mint condition. If you know what you're looking at, these exhausts are unobtainium. Nobody has these, and if anybody has a set like this, the exhaust alone is worth $5,000 or more. It has the original factory saddle, the original side covers, the original chrome on it. Just a beautiful classic from a private collector who passed away a couple years ago. His son inherited 3 of these. His son owns a restaurant, and this one's the first one we're putting up for sale for him. And You know, the restaurant business with the COVID and everything has not been doing well. He needs the money, so he's letting it go. This is the nicest 71 we've seen. We had a 1970 that was in this caliber a few years back, but not, this one came to us in perfect running order. It had been gone through by Jeff Castine, who's one of our full-time employees when he owned his own shop up in Massachusetts, All Sport Cycles. Jeff went through it, rebuilt the carburetors, changed all the fluids, rebuilt the brakes, the front master cylinder, serviced the whole bike, put new tires on it, and he put a couple miles on it since then, but it's still showing 18,760 original miles on it, original gauges, original handlebars, original switch housing, original levers. Just an absolutely stunning classic piece. Now, if you've been following the values of these, the 69s, the Sandcast ones start at $30,000 for one, if you can even find one for sale. They're just pretty much not available. When they are, they're obscenely expensive. The 70s and 71s are the next thing up. The comprehensive blue book I have right there shows the number one condition of $15,000 for this bike. This is an original, unrestored. The frame's not been repainted. The chrome is original. The original factory paint shows a little bit of patina on the top here where it's fading a little bit. It's not perfect. It's got 18,000 miles and it's 50 years old, but good luck finding a nicer one with original pipes on it. Has a couple of dings in the gas tank, which could be professionally removed by a dent magician. Again, this bike is on consignment here for the auction at the museum. He's paying us a commission to sell this bike. If you have one like this you want to sell, we'd be happy to put it in our next auction for you. We don't own this bike. We are selling it for a client, just like they do at Meekum. So the other bike he has in the auction is a CB350 1972 gold in white that you may have seen. If you haven't, check it out. It's on the listings also. So two of his bikes are in this auction, and this one is absolutely stunning. It runs as good as it looks. This is a bike you can get on, ride it just the way it is. Jeff Castine, the Manic Mechanic, tuned it, and it runs beautifully. I just noticed the front tire on it has a little bit of dry checking on it, so I would replace the front tire. The tire's probably been on there for over 10 years, but the rear tire looks to be in good condition. You know, actually, the rear tire has a little bit of dry checking on it too. It's a matched set of Metzlers. They're probably put on at the same time. The tread looks to be 90%, but the bike's been sitting, so those tires, you'd probably want to put a fresh set of tires on it. Probably some period correct Dunlops is what I would do if you're going to do it. But just a beautiful piece, folks. Like I said, HM300 exhaust, original factory paint, original seat. This thing's a virgin for sure. No evidence of any crash damage anywhere. The original turn signals are intact on both sides, as are the foot pegs, passenger pegs, and everything else. If you have any questions about it, give us a call. 860-454-7024. Unretouched, original, classic, that has just received a full preservation service. We steam cleaned it, and I'll put a coat of wax on the tank, give it a quick detail. Jeff had gone through and done all the mechanics on it, so it's ready to ride. If you have any questions, give us a call. Good luck bidding. I hope she goes to a good home, and God bless America.